welcome to Code Fun. I'm Rozzie. It's great to see you. Come on, me waiata tātou. Kia ora, thank you for coming. Kia ora, on this beautiful day. Kia ora, how are you doing? Or in other words, kei te pehea koe. Kia ora, thank you for coming. Kia ora, on this beautiful day. So there's you and me, and there's someone else here at Code Fun too. Digi, come on out and say hello. Huh? I don't know where Digi is. Tell me if you see Digi, okay? Digi! Digi! Did you hear that? There it is again! Oh, I think our robot friend is hiding from us. Call out if you see Digi, okay? Great. Digi! Oh, what's that? You see Digi? Where? Shh. Aha! Oh. Digi! There you are!
Kia ora!
Kia ora! Well, now that we're all here, let's get this party started. Wake tātou! Ngā kaunui ana au ki te kanikani. I'm disco dancing. Come on, Digi, join in. What's wrong, Digi?
I want to dance, but I don't know how.
Oh, well, I can show you the moves if you like.
You can? Yes, please.
I forgot. Digi's a robot, and robots need clear instructions to be able to do things.
Uh-huh.
Will you help me show Digi how to disco dance? Great! If you want to see a robot dance, here's what to do. They need a list of instructions from me and from you. If you make the instructions clear, we'll be just fine. Let's code this robot one step at a time. Remember, code is another word for instructions. Digi won't know how to disco dance until we give instructions. First, I'll show you so that we can help Digi together. Come on, find a clear space with lots of room. Make sure you're not going to bump into anything. Okay, let's code Digi to disco dance. First of all, use your left hand. Oh, remember, that's this one. And put it on your left hip. Now use your right hand. Oh, that's this one. And close up all of your fingers except for your forefinger so that you're pointing. Now point that hand up and out, pointing at the sky. Now point it across your body and down to the ground. That's it. Now repeat or loop those two movements. Up and down. Up and down. Ka motu pea. Good job. Now that you know how to disco dance, let's show Digi. Okay, Digi. First, put your left hand on your left hip.
Hip. Hip. Uh-oh.
Sorry, Digi. I forgot. You're a robot and robots don't really have hips. Okay, Digi. Just put your left hand on your left side, just beside your dials.
Oh, okay. Thanks.
Are you joining in too? Okay, great. Okay, Digi, now get your right hand and close up all of your fingers except for your forefinger. That's pointing, Digi. Now point all the way up and out to the sky. Cool. Now point across your body and down to the ground. Now, Digi, we're going to repeat or loop those two movements. Up and down. Up and down. I think you've got it, Digi.
Cool.
Kua tuki, we did it. We coded Digi to disco dance. Now we can all dance together. Are you ready? Are you ready, Digi?
Ready? Me kani tātou.
All right, hit it.
Wow, this is so much fun.
Thank you for helping me show Digi how to disco dance. Look at Digi go. Hey there, do you know what animal I'm pretending to be? Aye, a bird, he manu. Hey, I know a really fun game we can play. It's a game called If and Then. In this game, I'll be the programmer who gives you instructions, and you can be the robot who listens and follows what I say. Okay, here are the instructions. If you hear this music, then you need to flit and flutter like a fantail. And if you hear this music, then you need to pretend to be a kiwi with a long beak and nostrils on the end, sniffing around for juicy worms in the soil. Have you got it? Great! Okay, find a clear space with lots of room for flying around. Are you ready to play the game? Cool. Me takaro tātou. A fantail. Oh, a kiwi. Come on, let's go sniff out some juicy worms. That was fun. Thanks for joining in. You're really good at following instructions, just like a robot. Oh, Digi thinks so too. Fun! We've had lots of fun on Code Fun today. Make sure you come back next time. Here comes Digi.
Tēnā koe. I've come to say goodbye with you.
Come on! Me waiata tātou. Ka kite, thank you for coming. Ka kite, on this beautiful day. Ka kite, ka hoki mai anō, or in other words, we'll be back again. Ka kite, thank you for coming. Ka kite, have a wonderful day. Ka kite anō e hoa.
Ka kite!